Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something very special and super adorable. If you love crochet and you enjoy dressing up little girls in cute, stylish outfits, then you are going to love this collection. In today's video, I'm showcasing the latest new designs of Crochet Girl Frocks. These designs are not only beautiful, but also very trendy, elegant, and perfect for different occasions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these stunning crochet creations. First of all, let's talk about the beauty of Crochet Frocks. Crochet gives such a soft, handmade, and premium look. The patterns, the stitches, and the detailing make every frock unique. That's what makes crochet so special. No two pieces feel exactly the same. Each one carries creativity and love. As you look at the first few designs on the screen, notice the delicate stitch patterns. Some of these frocks feature floral-inspired designs, while others have simple but elegant textures. The combination of neat stitches and soft yarn makes them look extremely comfortable for kids. These frocks are perfect for birthday parties, family gatherings, church events, photo shoots, or even casual outings. Now look at the color combinations in these designs. We have soft pastel shades like baby pink, cream, sky blue, and mint green, which are always perfect for young girls. We also have brighter tones like red, yellow, and royal blue for a more vibrant and eye-catching look. One thing I really love about these crochet frocks is the detailing around the waist and neckline. Some designs have beautiful belt-style patterns. Some have ribbon touches, and others have layered skirt effects. These small details make a big difference in the final look. That princess style appearance that many little girls love. Imagine pairing these frocks with cute sandals or little ballet flats. Absolutely adorable. Another important thing about crochet frocks is comfort. Crochet fabric is breathable, especially when made with soft cotton yarn. That makes these dresses suitable even for warm weather. They are stylish but still very comfortable for children to wear all day. Some of the designs you're seeing now have beautiful open work patterns. These patterns give a light and airy feel while still maintaining structure. The balance between tight stitches and open stitches creates that perfect, elegant finish. If you are someone who loves handmade fashion, these designs can also inspire you to create your own version. You can customize the sleeve length, the skirt length, the color combination, even add flowers, bows, or buttons. That's the beauty of crochet. You can always make it personal. Now, as we continue looking at these latest designs, pay attention to how the top part of the frocks is fitted while the lower part flows beautifully. This style enhances the overall shape and makes the dress look professionally made. Some of these frocks are sleeveless, which makes them perfect for summer. Others have short sleeves or cap sleeves for a more modest and classic look. Each design has its own charm. These new Crochet Girl Frock designs are perfect for 2026 trends because they combine modern styling, classic handmade touch, comfort, and cuteness all in one. If you are a crochet lover, which design so far is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. I would really love to hear your thoughts. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beautiful crochet design inspirations. I regularly share new patterns, latest designs, and creative ideas that you can use for your next crochet project. Before we finish, take another look at these final designs on the screen. Notice the finishing, the neat stitching, and the overall elegance. These frocks truly show how crochet can be both simple and luxurious at the same time. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this collection of Girl Frock's latest new crochet designs, please like this video and share it with someone who loves crochet. I'll see you in the next video with more beautiful and inspiring designs. Bye for now, and keep creating.